Today we will be going over how to make a text-to-media connection. This is a writing workshop to improve how you can connect things you hear with things that you already know. You will have to listen to the story, Olive the Other Reindeer, and then make a connection to it based on things that you know or you've heard of before. After you make a connection between the media story and something that reminds you of the story, you must then write about the connection. So, for today while you listen to the story at home, I would like you all to write down all of the connections you can make between the story and things that you know of. All you will be needing for this project is lined paper and a pencil. This lesson will be convenient to do if you are at home today because you just have to click on the link that I will be sending you and it will take you right to the story on YouTube. This way you will be able to listen to it and then write about the connections that you can make. While you're sitting and listening to the story, if you hear or recognize things during it, then write them down on your paper so you can remember to write them after listening. The objective of this is to help you comprehend the story and relate it to aspects of your life. After you listen to the story online, tomorrow in class I will give you a beginning sentence to use. You then will need to connect on writing after the opening sentence I give you. You all will need to write this down on your papers. When I read the text called Olive the Other Reindeer, I made a text media connection. It reminded me of ... and then you will start writing from there. A couple possible connection ideas would be the reindeer song in the story would connect to a movie that has a reindeer, a dog, or even Santa Claus. Another connection to things you already have heard would be a confused animal character, which would be connected to real life with the Grinch or Rudolph, which most all of you already know of. Make sure that you write down all the possible connections at home while listening to the story because you will need them for class tomorrow. I will give you some time to write down a paragraph or two of your connections and then I will separate all of you into small groups. After you are in your groups, you will read aloud each of your connections that you've made to the story to each other. And that will be our in-class activity tomorrow.